Hi everybody, thanks for clicking on this video. Today we are going to see an automation that we made with Python scripts and AI together. We are going to see that we are going to be listening to an event. So this event is listening to an inbox in Gmail. So webhook is going to listen to an incoming of the email, and in this case we're going to check for a PDF that has an invoice in it. This invoice will be extracted with all the info, or we'll run it through Claude Vision, which will analyze the invoice and extract that information. There's different ways you can extract PDFs. This is just one way. There's another way that I like that I'll be showing you guys, but today we're just running a demo, and this info will run through a pipeline of Python scripts or functions that will do all the work and the automations for us. And we got Claude in there to, just extract the information. In this case, as you can see, it's already hooked up to an inbox in Gmail. So from there, you can just let your mind just imagine what other automations you can do because it's already hooked up. We can just make conditional statements and just connect it to the inbox and just do whatever else you need to be automated. Sometimes I love NaN, but sometimes NaN is a little limited. It will always come down to the code. Code is always the most flexible way you can do anything, web development, automations. So sometimes this no code platforms is a little limited, and I personally like NaN, but from now on this will be one of our systems or one of our frameworks that we're gonna be using. There's other use cases that I'll be using NaN for. I'll still be making content on NaN, but this is one of my favorite ways to just do automations. Hands down, one of the best ways. And I hope you guys enjoy the demo. Now we are in our code editor where we can see the different folders and files that we have in our Explorer up here on the left side. We can see the different Python scripts where they do different functions. For the automation, we are running a webhook, which will be extracting all the information, listening for the information, and then we'll run it through the pipeline. Also, I wanted to share this by Adobe, a OCR that would basically extract all the information in your PDFs. You can add it up to this automation to make it that extra confirmation. If you really like, you can extract all the information from the PDF and run it through AI. But for now, we're using Claude Vision that will be able to look at the information in the PDF and extract it. Now we're gonna be sending this invoice as a PDF. It's gonna be by TechFlow Solutions Inc. Claude Vision is gonna be able to extract all this information. We're gonna upload it to our drive in here, and we're gonna be able to upload our database. We are using Airtable today. I like Airtable, but if you are running a lot of data and you are storing a lot of data, I recommend a database, something like Superbase, that will be able to store a lot more information. We're gonna send the invoice now, the PDFs, over from my personal account to my business account in Gmail. We send that over, then we just wait for the email to land in the inbox. We have that webhook listening for it, so we see that it has just landed. Just wait for a couple of, maybe 1 minute or less. It doesn't take as much to process, which is really cool. It's really fast. And then it has been processed. The automation send a process confirmation. We can also see a tag down here. We can make different tags in here. Maybe the automation didn't process it, or maybe it was an error. Who knows? But usually these Python scripts are really cool. We'll be able to get the job done. So we can see the confirmation here. You can click on it, right? You can check out the invoice PDF right here. You can download it right here. We also see that a row has been created, right, by TechFlow Solutions, which is the company. Status, amount. We can create any fill, right? Any column you want. We can see that there's a vendor, email, currency, subtotal. You can see from email, right? Maybe they send it from a different email. Also a Google link drive, so you can go check it out over there. There's line items. In here we can see that it's 4 line items, and there's 4 line items in the invoice. If you want to like separate the line items and just store them in here, it'll be more organized, right? And we can hop over the invoice and we can see that the drive is organized, right, by company name. So earlier I kind of like told the agent to organize all my invoices, and it just did in this folders. And if we click in Tech Solution, which is the company that we're getting the invoice from, this is the year folder, and then this is, maybe you want to organize that company's invoice. Maybe they have different divisions, or do you want to organize the company's invoices a different way. You can do that. Click on it, and then we see that it has been updated on the drive. Thank you for making it until the end of the video. If you want to book a consultation with me, there's a link in the description below where you can just go to my website and book a call with me. It's a 30-minute call where we talk about your bottlenecks, any problems that you have in your company, or something that is really repetitive and it's taking your team's time or your time. We will want to be able to work with any industry and just running pretty cool deals too. We do free trials, free setups and trials, so you can try it out. We are an affordable AI agency. We just want to partner with people and just talk about your problems and just see where we can solve it. It's all about just coming together and make a cool partnership, right? So if you have any questions, just book a call with me, or you can just drop comment and I'll be able to answer it.